Everyone says they want to work in AI, but AI job isn't one job. It's a whole team of very different roles, and picking the wrong one wastes years. So let's map every seat on that team and exactly how to earn it. Here is every major AI and machine learning role, what they actually do, the skills you need, the tools they use, and the certifications that get you noticed. Think of it as a relay. Data flows through four zones. First, data people gather and prepare it, then models people build with it, then ship people put it into production, and direct people decide what to build and keep it safe. Every role lives in one of these zones. Before any specialty, almost everyone shares a core foundation. Learn it once and every door opens. Python, the math behind ML, linear algebra, statistics, and probability, the fundamentals of machine learning, and version control with Git. First zone, data. The data analyst turns raw data into clear answers, the dashboards and reports that guide real business decisions, the friendliest entry point into the whole field. The data engineer builds the plumbing, the pipelines that collect, clean, and move data at scale. Without them, analysts and models have nothing to run on. High demand, very hireable. The data scientist asks why it happened and what happens next, using statistics, experiments, and machine learning to find the answer. Part detective, part statistician. Second zone, models. The machine learning engineer takes a model out of the notebook and turns it into real, fast, reliable software running in production. It's the meeting point of data science and serious software engineering. The research scientist invents the new methods, the models everyone else will use next year, and publishes what works. Here, a PhD and real research matter far more than any certificate. Within models sit the specialists. The computer vision engineer teaches models to see images and video. The NLP engineer teaches them to read and write language. Same foundation, deep in one domain. Third zone, ship. The MLOps engineer automates the whole model lifecycle. Continuous delivery, monitoring, and retraining, so models don't silently break in production. Think DevOps, but for machine learning. The AI engineer is today's hottest role. Instead of training models from scratch, they build products on top of foundation models, wiring up retrieval, agents, prompts, and evaluations into real apps. Software engineering aimed at large language models. Last zone, direct. The people who steer. The AI product manager decides what to build and why, connecting what AI can do to what users and the business actually need. Less code, more judgment. The prompt engineer designs the prompts, guardrails, and workflows that make language models behave reliably. Honest truth. As a standalone job, it's shrinking. It's quickly becoming just one skill inside the AI engineer role. And the responsible AI or governance specialist keeps all of it safe, fair, and legal, managing bias, risk, and the fast growing wave of AI regulation. A small field now, growing quickly as the rules arrive. So, which certificates are worth it? Think in three levels: foundation certs to get started, associate certs to prove you're job ready, and professional or specialist certs to stand out. But remember the honest rule: certificates open the door. A portfolio of real projects is what actually gets you hired. Feeling overwhelmed? Follow what you enjoy. Love clear answers? Be an analyst. Love plumbing and scale? Engineer the data. Love experiments? Be a scientist. Love clean systems? Go ML engineer. Love math and research? Go research. Love shipping apps? Be an AI engineer. Love reliability? do MLOps. Love the why? Go product. Love safety? Go governance. So there's the whole map. One field, 4 zones, a dozen roles. Titles vary by company and they overlap, but the path is the same for all of them. Learn the shared core, pick a lane, build real projects, then add the certificate that fits. The team is bigger than you think, and there's a seat for how your mind works. Find your lane and start building.